Every child deserves to learn and grow. Let no pain of humankind still flow. Al Mafaaza opens arms so wide, promising hope on tomorrow's side. Al Mafaaza, your voice we hear, calling us loud, pure and clear. You shine the way with noble grace, the guiding star in our learning place. Within your heart, bright values gleam. Love and faith, our constant theme. To the Lord, our guide so true, we raise our hearts in all we do. We are Africa's youthful flame, living Islam's truth and name. Builders of peace from near to far, shining bright, that's what we are. With science and wisdom hand in hand, we'll heal the hearts across the land to end all hunger, hate, and fear. For humankind, a mean sincere. Hand in hand, our hearts aglow with faith and wisdom seeds we sow. The Quran, our life, Islam, our guide, we teach with love and joy inside. Let the whole world see our light, peace and patience shining bright. We'll draw a future pure and fine, radiant as this morning shine.